In this video, we extract hydrogen from water using electricity. The high pressure of hydrogen does not allow fire to ignite. But if this video reaches 2,000 likes, I will turn this fantasy into reality. Notice how hydrogen flows is very amazing. In this video, we will show you how we made it. I used these metal pieces from a damaged transformer. As in the video, all you have to do is block the transformer and extract such metal pieces from it. I chose this metal because it is cheap and easy to obtain. As for copper, it reacts with water and electricity and decomposes, so we will not use it in this project. Aluminum is not available to many people and it needs to remove the paint on it. We will need 2 pieces of plastic and a glass bottle, because it is the best for our project and is also available because it explains the interaction of what is inside when implementing the project. We will need to sand these metal pieces so that they adhere well to the tin. Then take a glue gun to attach these metal pieces to the plastic. Continue this method until you finish, and do not forget to sand the plastic as well. After that, we will install them in this shape that you notice, because it will easily fit into the glass case. After that, solder a tin foil on these metals and then connect all these metals together with a wire in order to pass electricity through them. Subscribe to the channel to benefit more. This video actually took me a lot of effort, so please leave a like. All these metals together with a wire in order to pass electricity through them. We will install them in this shape that you notice because it will easily fit into the glass case. Now we will install these 2 metal pieces together to easily insert them into the glass container. We need to pierce the lid of the glass bottle in order to insert the wires of these pieces that we made and to leave an outlet for the hydrogen gas to exit. Now bring that glass bottle and bring a bottle of water for the experiment. After that, pour the water into the glass bottle. After that, bring a tablespoon of salt, put it in the water and mix the solution well to get the best reaction to extract hydrogen gas.
Bring that piece of metal from a place inside the solution and close the glass bottle well to avoid hydrogen gas escaping from another area. The method for making this lithium battery is available on the channel. All you have to do is enter the channel and search for the video, the image of which will appear above. As you can see, it draws a very high amperage, so it is better not to use a lithium battery and use a high ampere charger. As you can see, as soon as the battery is connected directly, the reaction begins. Also, hydrogen is extracted from water using the same method. This is the principle of how hydrogen cars work. Look at the water. How did it become? It is very polluted. Unfortunately, there is no good filtration of the water. We are now trying to light a fire, but it requires development to extract hydrogen in isolation from other elements. Therefore, it requires another device to extract hydrogen. Watch the video in order for me to develop this device. As you note, the high pressure of hydrogen does not allow fire to ignite. But the idea of this video is correct, 100%. Don't forget to support the video, and whoever has any idea or question about hydrogen extraction, please leave your answer in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, Hero. As you can see, the fire is almost ignited, but the high pressure of hydrogen gas does not allow the fire to ignite.